Welcome to the power of AI in marketing, a game changer in the business world. Here are the 9 keys to harnessing this power. Key 1. Identifying your goals. The first step is to understand what you want to achieve with AI in your marketing strategy. Secondly, choosing the right AI tools. Not all tools are created equal. Find one that suits your needs and maximizes your marketing effectiveness. Key 3. Personalizing customer experiences. AI allows for a level of personalization previously unimaginable. Fourth, optimizing content strategy. AI can analyze data faster than any human, helping you create a more effective content strategy. Key 5, enhancing data analysis. AI can sift through large amounts of data, providing valuable insights for your marketing strategy. Sixth, automating customer interactions. AI can help automate responses and engagement, freeing up time for other tasks. Key 7, improving SEO strategies. AI can help optimize your SEO, making your content more discoverable. Key 8, smarter advertising decisions. AI can analyze consumer behavior, helping you make more informed advertising decisions. Finally, Key 9, measuring success. AI can help you quantify your ROI, showing you the effectiveness of your strategy. As we look to the future, integrating AI into our marketing strategies will be crucial. With these 9 keys, you're well on your way to understanding how to use AI in marketing successfully.